Hi everyone. Today we want to introduce our video project simulation, which is application of thermoelectric cooling and heating. Our group member is Muhammad Fatih bin Abdul Hamid, me as Nur Amira Atirah binti Amirul Nizam, then Nur Shazana binti Muhammad Nasri, then last one is Muhammad Haris Nazrin bin Razali. What renewable resource that we use? Solar energy is any type of energy generated by the sun. Solar energy is created by nuclear fusions that takes place in the sun. Fusions occurs when protons of hydrogen atoms violently collide in the sun's core and fuse to create a helium atom.
Now I will explain how our project works. This project consists of two main hardware circuits, which is the thermoelectric module to be put on the basin of the solar steel and the real-time monitoring system to be put onto the solar steel. As mentioned, the thermoelectric will be for the heating side, where three thermoelectric modules will be put, and it will have a temperature sensor to detect the temperature of the water from time to time. At the bottom of the solar steel base, there will be a water level sensor to detect the water level from time to time. The real-time monitoring consists of two sensors, as mentioned before, to be connected to the microcontroller. For the hardware, the solar steel will consist of two parts, which is the deep water basin and the base of the solar steel. The microcontroller will collect and send the data to the computer for analysis.
I will now discuss how the product works in real life. This effort aims to show the environment that the initiative is successful. When the thermoelectric peltier is widely used in the market, the price will be lower than it is now, since anyone can easily access it for anything, including this project, to improve its performance. As a result, the project efficiency will increase. To capture more heat from the sun and increase water evaporation, the project used metal may also be switched out for another material that is an excellent heat insulator. Furthermore, solar energy is also a renewable energy source because it comes from natural resources that are regenerated more quickly than they are used up. Additionally, the project can increase the availability of clean and safe water around the world, particularly for those unfortunate enough to have limited access to clean water. Finally, we want to demonstrate the project using a scale model so that it may be sold globally and spare the user the time-consuming process of creating a solar steel from scratch.
For the circuit simulation, we are using multi-sim software to create simulation circuit. Also using a piezoelectric converter, AC/DC circuitries, and then storage, and then thermoelectric. After that, we are using oscilloscope to show the graph. For the piezoelectric converter, the piezoelectricity is the process of using crystal to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, or vice versa. Regular crystals are defined by their organized and repeating structure of atoms that are held together by bonds. This is called a unit cell. And then AC/DC circuitry, the electric current flow in two ways, as alternating current AC or direct current DC. The main difference between AC and DC lies in the direction in which the electrons flow. In DC, the electrons flow steadily in a single direction, while electrons keep switching direction, going forward and then backward in AC. After that, it goes to the storage that store electrostatic energy in an electric field, and where possible, to supply this energy to the circuit. To prevent a dangerous failure of the circuit, they allow the AC to move but block the flow of DC. After that, the thermoelectric converter function is when a voltage is applied to thermoelectric cooler, an electrical current is produced. This current induces the Peltier effect. With this effect, heat is moved from the cold side to the hot side, and then a thermoelectric cooler is also a solid state for the semiconductor device.